Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to setting up my desk for online classes and tips to organize your desk. If you have a desk with built-in storage for your books, supplies and notebooks, you have probably gathered a bunch of other stuff too. If your desk gets too cluttered, it can be hard to take the things that you are needed at right time. You can clean out your desk by removing everything out and sorting through it all and getting rid of the things that you don't need anymore. Okay, without any further ado, let's get into the video and let's do it. Before entering into this video, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video on this channel, you will get notified. This is my desk. I just converted my old TV stand into study table. You get to know that if you have watched my desk tour video. If you haven't watched it yet, I will provide the link in description, and also I will add a picture of my desk so that you can see that how it looks then and how it looks now. You can see that there's a lots of transformation there. My mother gave a colorful attire to my desk which looks so beautiful, and my mother just added a table sheet to it which gives a beautiful look to my desk, and I just invested buying some organizers in order to keep them handy and well organized. Okay, now let's set up my desk for online classes. Step number 1. Take everything off your desk. Remove absolutely everything and place it all in one large pile. When it's time to reorganize your desk, you'll go through this pile methodically. Don't try to organize the contents of your desk when you remove it. You need to create some clear space first. Make sure you remove everything from your desk even if you know that you are going to put it back in the same place. This includes pictures, plans, papers, diaries, your computer, etc. Whatever that may be, remove everything. Step number 2. Throw away trash and place recyclable items in suitable containers. Sometimes something becomes trash as soon as you don't need it anymore. You may think that you need to save something, but be sure before you do it. If you are not sure that you can place it in a spot for things that you are not going to use, or that you will need, that you have a confidence that it would be needed at some point of time, then keep it a place for thing and organize them. Step number 3. Clean your desk inside and out. Even if you think that things on your desk are pretty clean, it doesn't hurt to give everything a once over. Take advantage of your desk being clear and use this opportunity to give it a good cleaning, and dust and wipe your desktop down with a multi-surface cleaner or by using a paper towels. Treat lingering stains and polish away the scratches in the wooden desk. Your desk will look brand new once you have finished it. Be sure everything has been removed from the desk before you start cleaning, otherwise you'll have to clean around the desk during the existing clutter. Step number 4. Keep your most essential items close at hand. If you find yourself reaching for certain things a lot, make sure they are accessible. Give some thought to how frequently you reach for certain items on your desk and arrange them in order of importance. Separate pens and pencils into a cup that are ready to use and without taking up too much space. Leave paper clips and staplers near the printer or wherever you're going to complete your paperwork. You can save as much as an hour a day by minimizing the time it takes you to hunt for the things that are laid in a messy desk. Step number 5. Keep required essential for classes. Keep everything access to you which are required for your classes, like related subject books and Casio or whatever the things that are required for your classes. That depends on your stream. Right now for my stream I need a Casio for my stats class, so that I'm just keeping it very handy to me so that I can take it off whenever my class going to start. I can easily grab it out. Step number 6. Place a trash can nearby. This is a key for not having trash pile up around your desk. Sometimes we tear a paper from the book if we do something trash or even a mistake. we just tear off the paper, right? And most of the chances we will throw away the paper on the floor, or we just keep it off on the desk, which looks so messy and cluttered. When we are too busy, we do these kind of things, right? To avoid these kind of cases, we need to keep a trash can so that we can easily, whenever we just tear a paper, we can easily throw it into a trash can. So, and also you need to keep your trash can that should be reachable without getting up from your desk. That way there's no danger of leaving a piece of trash on your desk to clutter it up. Step number 7. Keep ready your electronic devices. Keep ready your electronic devices like a mobile, laptop, PC, or even a tablet in which you're going to listen your online classes, and also make sure to keep your earpods and whatever the things that are required for your electronic devices, keep it access to you, and so that you are all set for your online classes. And also make sure to keep a water bottle nearby you so that you will stay hydrated all the time. With this, we all set for online classes, and we just organized our desk for online classes. Hopes you love this video and give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know down below in the comments that how you stay organized for your online classes, and also suggest me some video ideas that you are interested. And do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video on this channel, you'll get notified. Until next time, bye everyone.